Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Pankaj. Today I'm going to talk about how you can make trading a business. Trading is not just about buying and selling of stocks. It's about understanding the right principles and leveraging the right tools. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about what a business really is. For this, I want to reference a fantastic book, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. In this book, Kiyosaki explains that a business is something that can run on its own without you having to be there all the time. It's about creating system and processes that can generate income even when you're not working. So, how do we apply this to trading? Step 1 is to understand leverage. Leverage is the use of various resources to increase potential returns. There are three types of leverage: leveraging time, leveraging money, and leveraging knowledge. Let's break this down. Leveraging time means using your time wisely. You can't be trading 24/7. If you need to stay in front of screen all the time, then that's not the business. It becomes job. So you need to find ways to maximize your trading efficiency. Leveraging money involves using financial instruments like future and options to amplify your returns. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Leverage can amplify losses too, so use it wisely. Now, let's talk about leveraging knowledge. This is where educations come in. The more you know, the better decision you can make. Read books, take courses, watch video like this one, and learn from experienced trader. Knowledge is power in the trading world. Next, let's move on to leveraging system and processes. In trading, having a system means having a set of rules that guide your trading decision. This can include when to enter a trade, when to exit, and how much to risk on a trade. For example, a simple system could be: I will buy stock when it crosses its 20-day moving average and sell when it crosses below its 20-day moving average. This kind of system helps you to take emotion out of the trading. Processes are about how you manage your trading business. This includes keeping a trading journal, reviewing your trades, and continuously improving your strategies. Remember, in Rich Dad Poor Dad, Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of system over individuals. The system should work regardless of who is running it. In trading, this means your system should work consistently regardless of your involvement. So, to sum up, making trading a business involves understanding what a business is, leveraging your resources, and creating system and processes. Start by educating yourself, build a solid trading plan, and continuously working on your strategy. Trading can be a profitable business, but it requires dedication, discipline, and the right mindset. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more insights. Also, let me know in the comments what topic you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy trading.